Welcome back. Ayodhya, which is all decked up for the second phase of the Grand Pran Pratishtha at the Ram Darbar that is taking place at Sri Ram Janmabhoomi in Ayodhya. As marking a spiritual milestone, the ceremony will take place on the first floor of the Ram Mandir and will be presided by the UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath himself, which is also coinciding with his birthday today. As the three-day ritual that has been taking place by Vedic scholars and the priests under the supervision of the Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Tirth Kshetra Trust will begin with the Vedic chants and a sacred havan. And the key moment of the event that will be ceremonial uncovering of the eyes of Lord Ram, Goddess Sita's idols by the Chief Minister himself, symbolizing the completion of the Pran Pratishtha process. Special aartis and vibrant cultural programs will also be held on the banks of the Saryu River. Let's tell you exactly what this Ram Darbar is all about, with the pictures that have been coming in of last evening as well as the entire Ram Bhoomi, the Ram Janmabhoomi that has been decked up and has been lit with countless diyas. The Ram Darbar that stands over 4.5 feet tall with the divine ensemble that includes the idols of Lord Ram, Goddess Sita, Lord Hanuman, Bharat, Shatrughan, Saptarishis, Annapurna, Durga, Surya Dev and many other deities as well. Notably, the idols of Ram and Sita are sculpted from a single stone, while the remaining deities are carved from another. We have Adeep with us right now. Adeep, of course, we are looking forward as far as the Ram Darbar, which is now completely just saja diya gaya, and we are looking at devotees that have also been thronging the Ram Mandir. When are we looking at the ceremonies to begin today?
Well, Amita, see, at around 11 a.m. is the time when the ceremony, the Pran Pratishtha ceremony of the first floor of the Ram Darbar will start. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath will arrive at around 10:45 a.m. right here in Ayodhya. First, he will visit Hanuman Gadi temple, and after offering prayers at the Hanuman Gadi temple, Chief Minister will directly head towards the Ram temple. And at around 11 a.m., the Pran Pratishtha ceremony will start in the Ram temple, and it will take almost 2 hours for this special ceremony. What we are learning is that with the special chants and Vedic chants and rituals, this entire Pran Pratishtha ceremony will be completed by 1 p.m. In the Ram Temple complex itself. It will be a grand event. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath himself will be presiding over the entire Pran Pratishtha ceremony. After this Pran Pratishtha ceremony, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath will be attending several more functions in Ayodhya itself. But importantly, a Saryu Aarti will be performed by Chief Minister at around 3 p.m. Later in the day, when the Chief Minister will be performing the Saryu Aarti, and Ram Temple is all set for the second consecration ceremony.
So can you give us a sense, Adeep, how exactly would it look like? Because Ram Lalla is the first, as far as the Pran Pratishtha that happened before, the first darshan there, then will the devotees go up to the first floor for the darshan of the Ram Darbar?
Well, definitely, Amita, see, from today onwards, the entire Ram Darbar will be open for the public. Those who are coming to offer prayers at the Ram Temple, they can first offer prayers at the Ram Temple. They can visit the place, the Garbh place where the idol of Ram, Lord Ram is situated. And after that, they can also visit the first floor in the Ram Darbar. After 1 p.m. today, the Ram Darbar will be open for the public. This is what the Temple Trust has to say. And people can easily come and offer prayers, offer rituals in the Ram Darbar, also in Ram Temple premises, Amita.
All right. Thank you, Adeep, for that update. Looking out for as far as the celebrations and the rituals that have been continuing for 3 days. Today is the day. Around 11:25 a.m. is being said that Pran Pratishtha of Lord Ram and Goddess Sita idols that would be taking place, which is carved from a single stone. And it is being said that the Pran Pratishtha ceremony, the participation of the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh will also be expected. All right. In the meantime, we head into a very short break. You're watching Times Now.